So today is Friday and we're back over here in this area. As you can see, the area is still clean out. Yesterday was Thursday. I didn't come over here. I was doing other things. Today I'm just doing it. There's a duck right there. Man, I'm just doing a quick inspection to see how things are going on here. As you can see, the dam is being rebuilt slowly and slowly once again. So it looks like the beavers aren't giving up. Culvert pipe, it's looking pretty good. This thing is still flowing out very gently. It's a nice gentle stream. Let's check out the other part real quick. Okay, this is the other end of the culvert pipe. This area actually has dropped quite a bit, maybe quite a bit, an inch. And I can see culvert pipe is a lot more evident now. You can see that, and you can even see how it kind of goes in like there. So that's really cool that we can see it now. And then as the water slowly, day by day, kind of just trickles out there, this part is going to become cleaner. And the plan is to clean this grass out, and then maybe any obstruction that's in front of it or on the side. So we're over at this area, the old dam. As you can see, this one actually got dammed up. So several days ago, they weren't really trying to dam it up. As you can see, there's this little chunk right there. Let's get it from this side. So they're starting to rebuild that one over there, and I think they're going to start rebuilding this one too. Hopefully in the next 2 days they don't do a lot of work, because I'll only be able to come back on Monday and clean things up. So on Monday, I'm going to grab the garden hoe, and so the plan is brush cutter, kind of clean some of that up over there on that side, that grass, and then a little bit of branches. Take all of this debris, move it over there, move this stuff, move it over there, and then with the garden hoe, remove this little block of dirt, and then that one right there. But yeah, that's kind of just the update for Friday, and we'll see how things are going on Monday.